Hi, today we are presenting our poster presentation of ITEC 7400 IT Service Management and Professional Culture, and our topic is the application of the ITSM architecture in Commonwealth Bank. Today, this is a group assignment and me and Mitali in our group members. First of all, our topic is Commonwealth Bank. So, overview of Commonwealth Bank. Commonwealth Bank of Australia is financial services company that both the customers and companies. Retail banking, premium banking, business banking, and all types of banking and insurance investigations and share bookings are among the products and service offered by the corporation. With over the 38,000 professionals and over 8 lakh investors, the financial company perform operations. The bank provide a comprehensive range of financial services to assist the development or management. The banking institutions commercial banking division offers a wide range of services to small businesses and individuals, including home loan, retail deposit, international payments, and so on. Now, here is a so many service life cycle. Here is a 5 types of service life cycle: service strategy, service design, and service transition, service operation, and continuous service improvement. So, service strategy. It is the development of a plan for the service provided by the company, depending on the market environmental and the grant alternative for system while the level of service provided to clients. It is a IT into the bank business processes are just a few of the bank service strategies. Service design is a client, and the next stage is the roles national banks retail network is changing with the focusing on improving service to consumer and meeting the requirement in a variety of personal interaction and incorporative of new technology. Now, service transition. It is a IT solution to address the challenges that traditional banking corporations provide. Service operation. It is a provider must make sure that company by the contract and terms and condition bind the firm at this point. Continuous service improvement. It is a aims products and processor are organization device and Deloitte continue to sustain improvement is critical Commonwealth Bank because it allows the bank to use quality management techniques to better understand and the failures. Now, our half of presentation present is Mitali Patel.
Next is process and function. Financial management for IT service. Commonwealth Bank required accounting system with its IT solution, and there is three procedures like budgetary accounting and the billing. First is budgetary. Commonwealth Bank may predict and monitor the both revenue and expenditure of the money in the firm using the methodology. Budgeting the compromise a monthly negotiating cycle for establish of expenditure and the monitoring the current budget. The accountancy. Commonwealth Bank could use this method to fully account for all expenditure related to economic service and consumer. Billing. Commonwealth Bank should make this requirement for billing count for all the key to maximize. Security management, a further important component of the business process by the cybersecurity management, which ensure data integrity and the confidentiality. Commonwealth Bank having put a strong IT protection leadership team for enhance the financial state data. And next is the IT service continuity management. The important aim of ITSCM is really effectively reduce the expense, downtime, and the effect of the real emergencies to enterprise. And the primary options, which is the strategy, clarifying the roles, communication, monitoring, and evaluating and upgrading. Next is the measurement metrics and the dimensioning cycle. In this dimensioning cycle, there is 4 plan. First is plan, second is do, third is check, and fourth one is act. The dimensioning cycle are referred to a PDCA cycle. The first is strategy. This may be first phase through using reviewing the order to establish a foundation and specify the desirable result. And here is the next is a perform. The organization should conduct a test run without causing any disruption. And action. All suggestion and prescription must always be adopted inside the crucial range of this life cycle. So this is really important part for Commonwealth Bank. Next is here is some references. Thank you.